It has been 4 days since 15-year-old Irish girl Nora Anne Quoirin went missing at Pantai Hills in Negri Sembilan, and there is still no sign of her. Police have beefed up its search and rescue operations and are looking at all angles into the teen's disappearance, although the case is still classified as that of a missing person.
Kita tidak menolak sebarang kemungkinan. Kita akan setiap saksi, setiap maklumat yang kita terima, kita akan panggil. Kita telah ambil hampir 20 kenyataan saksi berhubung dengan kes ini.
At a press conference on Wednesday, the Negri Sembilan Deputy Police Chief was also asked if police have lifted fingerprints from the open window in Nora Anne's room.
Kita telah mengambil pasukan forensik tim kita telah mengambil kesan cap jari, bukan setakat dekat panel tingkap tu, tetapi tim forensik kita telah memeriksa seluruh tempat tersebut, bangunan tersebut, bilik tersebut. Kita telah our forensik team telah menjalankan siasatan rapi. Kita dah dapat view, kita dah hantar ke bahagian cap jari Bukit Aman untuk membuat perbandingan. Kita untuk perbandingan sama ada milik sesiapa, milik penjenayah, semua kita akan buat pemeriksaan tersebut lah.
Nora Anne, who has learning difficulties, had checked into the resort with her parents and 2 younger siblings on Saturday. However, she was not in a room shared with her siblings the next morning. A window that could only be opened from the inside was ajar. Her family believes she may have been abducted, but police have ruled out this for now.